Welcome to 50 Mill Springs at Heritage Lake in Coatesville, Indiana. This beautifully updated 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom lake home is where modern comfort meets rustic charm. Upon entry, you're greeted by a spacious dining room that seamlessly flows into the open floor plan, highlighted by the larger than normal windows that fill the space with natural light. The stunning new kitchen includes high-end appliances with new craft-suede cabinets, countertops, backsplash, and a large center island for ample seating. The home showcases LVP flooring throughout, wood trim around the doors and windows, with pine tongue-and-groove ceiling that complements stylish shiplap walls for a true lake home feel. The thoughtful layout of this home offers 2 bedrooms on the main level, perfect for easy access or accommodating guests, and 2 additional bedrooms upstairs providing privacy and flexibility for family or visitors. Both the master bedroom and great room open onto an expansive deck, perfect for enjoying the peaceful private setting at the quiet end of the cove. The great room is the heart of the home, featuring soaring cathedral ceilings, a wall of windows overlooking the lake, and a cozy fireplace. Tucked underneath the stairs is a delightful dog nook, creating a cozy, dedicated space for your 4-legged family members to relax near the action. A second lot with a storage shed provides additional space for lake essentials. Fully furnished, this lakefront retreat is move-in ready and designed for you to enjoy the heritage lake life, right down to a special place for your pup. Outside, you'll find a boat lift suited for a pontoon or ski boat, with dockside water dredged to an average of 6 feet, ideal for fishing, swimming, and boating access. To learn more about this home and Heritage Lake, contact Mary Petruzzi at 317-370-5509 or mary@teampetruzzi.com. There's no better time to make your lake home dream come true.